we announced today a set of incentives that are very exciting to the partner community to uplift the margin on hardware and software when a partner brings an IBM hardware and software solution together. And then when they sell a specific set of solutions around business analytics, cloud, security, the solutions that are really important to the marketplace, they get another 10 points of margin on top of that as the software provider. So very exciting, but again, tuned very specifically at our focus on helping partner profitability.
So when IBM comes up with a new offering where you can bundle additional software within your solution, my first reaction is to look at what are the different software component that I can pick and choose and basically integrate in my solution. Right now it's a little bit early because I didn't get all the details of what's going to be in this offer, but in the past we've always been able to bring new piece of code and integrate it into our application and deploy it on the platform. So yeah, I expect that we should be able to leverage this new offering. And when you're talking additional discount, additional incentive, obviously we're going to use this money to be more competitive against ADP and Reynolds, because it's really it's a war. Like you're in the trenches every week.
Well, I think this is very good. It's kind of a portfolio approach, I would call it. Good incentive for people like us to try to make the move or transform to the other parts of the business that IBM that we're not touching right now, because we're not touching software right now. Having something like that in place would definitely, it's not the only reason we would do it. You have to have a fundamental business reason to do it, or to move further into the cloud, for example. But I would characterize it as a definite accelerator, let's just put it this way, because the financial constraint of transforming our business is always, top of mind. It's something that's difficult to do, something that sometimes we have to do. So any incentives are definitely welcome, and that's a good one. One of the fun things about working with IBM is it's so big that for a boutique reseller like us is it's harder to grasp, and sometimes it can be very cumbersome because every brand is doing their own thing, they have their own programs. By simplifying all of that, this is one thing that, and we started to see the benefits. It's so much easier. I'm not saying there's no room for improvements. There is room for improvements, but it has made a big difference for us in how much time we need to invest in just understanding, first of all, what are all of these programs for, how to take advantage of them. So by being more consistent from brand to brand, having less programs, and hopefully, if I can suggest something, is not changing them too often. It's one thing sometimes it's seen as a benefit. Oh, we're changing the program, and we're like, no, don't change it. Finally, we're certified, we understand how it is, we know how to leverage it. Keep it like that, it's working well. So that is something that for us is making a difference, and we've seen that IBM has made great strides in that direction.